I am going in for search and rescue after my kitty cat. I know my kitty cat's in here somewhere. So this is like piled high snow, and I'm using, I just, fell. Oh shit, no! Oh Jesus, there goes a can of food in the snow. I'm going in for the search and rescue of my kitty cat. Over there, there's a little hole. That's where my cat would be. Oh, I didn't wear gloves. What a dumbass. I didn't think I would fall in the snow. Okay, so I'm using the roof rake here to push down the snow and create this tunnel. Okay, that's not really working too well. I'm in about oh, terrific. That's my phone's alarm clock going off. God damn it. And what the fuck? What is this? God damn. Oh, Jesus. Okay. So anyway, here we go. My foot's going. Oh, Jesus. I almost fell again. Anything for my kitty cat. Okay, I gotta put the camera down now.